Jumping rope is one of my favorite cardios that I like to do of all time, and it'll help you burn a lot of calories. But in order to jump rope more effective, you definitely have to do it the right way. So in this video, I'll be showing you how to jump rope like a pro in 2020 coming up. Hey everyone, my name is Lawrence Fleming, and this is your first time stopping by on this channel. Thank you for stopping by. I am a professional photographer and a personal trainer, and this channel is all about helping people develop healthier habits through nutrition and fitness, and I also show tips and tricks to upgrade your photography skills. So I'm going to go ahead and get started and actually show you how to jump rope. So first thing first is definitely you want to have a rope. So definitely want to have a good quality rope that doesn't like break or that's very durable. So right now I got the crossroad jump rope. If you can see, as you can see, it has metal handles and you get to clip the rope onto it. This is actually the older version of the cross rope, and I know that there's a newer version of the cross rope out now, which I don't have yet. So you can actually go purchase this rope, and I'll put a link down in the description below so you can actually purchase this rope. But anyway, definitely want to have a good quality rope that's durable and that's a good length too, and that will last you a long time, because like the saying say, you get what you pay for. So make sure you have a good quality rope and that is very durable and can last a very long time. So I know with this rope, like the crossroad jump rope, it costs close to like almost $100, but it definitely is worth the price for what you're getting, because not only you getting the actual cross rope, but you're getting like a heavy rope too. So this is the speed rope that I have, and you also get a heavier rope too to go along with it. So that's the crossroad jump rope for you. So next up, when also you're jumping rope, you definitely want to have good hand placement when you jump rope. So definitely want to have your hands close to the rope, like there. Definitely want to have good placement. And also when you jump rope, make sure you want to like use your wrist when turning the rope. You definitely don't want to use your arms like this, because that's bad form. You want to use your wrist to turn the rope. It's all in the wrist. So definitely want to do that. And also when you're jumping rope, you want to make sure you jump on the tip of your toes. You definitely want to jump flat-footed. So jump from the tip of your toes like this. Definitely don't want to jump flat-footed like this. Otherwise, you're going to have injury to your ankles. So definitely jump from the tip of your toes. So if I was to jump rope, it'll be a little bit like this with perfect form. So as you can see, jump rope with perfect form. I'm turning the rope with the flick of my wrist, and I'm jumping from the tip of my toes. And I also have good hand placement. And that's honestly how you jump rope with perfect form. Now I know there are some simple hacks and tricks that you can do to, like, you know, help you jump rope without tripping over the rope. So one simple thing that I've done was practice. So definitely you want to practice jumping rope every day, even if you are a beginner, because you're not going to get it at first, especially if you are like just getting into fitness and everything. So definitely practice every day, and really want to get good at it, you just gotta continue doing it and getting better at it. And also one thing that you can do to try making it a goal to, like, you know, not trip over the rope for a certain amount of time. So say for instance you want to jump rope and you want to do 5 jumps without skipping over the rope. So you can just do 5 jumps with the rope, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, and you do that without skipping. Do that every time in increments. That's another way how you can get better without skipping the rope, without tripping over the rope. Also, you can actually, another thing that I've noticed when people jump rope is that they also double jump. So double jump is when you do like this. that's actually not, that actually is a bad thing, but you don't want to like aim for that. You want to aim for like actually doing one jump at a time instead of just double jump. So definitely try to do single jump at all times, and you'll get more proficient and actually be able to do different tricks and different footwork within jumping rope. Also, another way to help you like get more proficient with jumping rope is to actually listening to upbeat music. So I know for me, if I listen to upbeat music and I'm like really get in the groove of things, then I'll notice that I won't like trip over the rope so much because I got something that's upbeat and it's actually motivating me. So definitely listen to some upbeat music, and that's actually how you get better at jumping rope, and that's actually how you begin jumping rope like a pro. Alright y'all, so now I'm about to go ahead and freestyle, and I'm about to show you like this is what all you can do once you become better at jumping rope like a pro. So that's how you jump rope like a pro in 2020. So thank you for watching this video. If you like this video, definitely hit that like button down below. And if you want to see more videos like this, definitely press that subscribe button and hit those notifications on. Turn those notifications on. And also, if you want to see more videos like this and you want to like have a home workout playlist to where you can do home workouts while you're staying at home, definitely click the card at the top right hand corner of the screen, and you can actually check out my home workout playlist where I actually go through different home workouts that you can do while you're at home. And also, if you want to be a part of the Fit Life community email list, then definitely I'll put a link down below so you can actually sign up for our email list, and that way you can get exclusive notifications of when I have new content coming out. Other than that, I'll see you in the next video.